It happened again. I was uploading my video, my computer shut down. And I gotta go soon because my parents want to bring us out. Want to bring me and my grandma out. Stupid computer. Is it me or this looks too boyish? So there's nothing that a tank top can't fix. I look more girly now. But I look kind of fat. I'm not fat, okay? I'm not fat. I look like a cowboy, you know, the cowgirl riding on a bull. Yeehaw! I should go to Texas. I should. Wisconsin? Hot, 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 hot. It's very hot. I'm gonna drive. Holy cookies is hot. I'm gonna turn on the car. Turn on the aircon because it's so hot right now. Wish me luck. Okay, so we're in a Chinese restaurant. It's halal. We ordered 5 dishes. Oh, my mom ordered actually. And my longan pun. We'll see you guys in a bit. Lagi dong. That's the appetizer. This is the rice. Bida with the rice. Where are we going? Changi? One Chinese Garden? Which one?
Jauh lah kat sini. Di depan sana.
Jauh. Kalau nak pergi depan pagi.
Changi Airport. Go to the viewing mall. I want to see the aeroplane.
Huh?
Viewing mall, Changi Airport.
Nak pergi viewing mall?
Which is at Terminal 2 juga kan?
Dia nak pergi viewing mall tau.
Terminal 1 is in Terminal 1. So they closed down the old bus interchange and they opened a new one over here. Which is bigger and nicer. I have one question. Is Dunkin' Donut halal here in Singapore? I don't know. I don't think so. But yeah, I see some people eating it. My mom looking at glasses because she needs to wear them to read. She's wearing all. I got one soy milk. Cost only $1.60, yeah?